Throughout history, there have been countless stories of individuals who defied the odds, achieved the seemingly impossible, and created miracles in their lives. What if the secret to their success wasn't just hard work or luck, but a fundamental shift in their thinking? Neville Goddard, a visionary teacher of the 20th century, believed that the key to unlocking extraordinary results lies in a simple yet profound concept: thinking from the end. He taught that by embodying the feeling of the wish fulfilled as if it's already happened, we can tap into the creative power of the universe and manifest our deepest desires. In this video, we'll explore the transformative power of thinking from the end. We'll delve into Neville's teachings, understand the practical steps involved, and witness how this concept can lead to seemingly miraculous manifestations in your own life. Get ready to unlock the extraordinary potential within you and create a reality that surpasses your wildest dreams. Time, as we perceive it, is a linear construct, a series of past, present, and future moments. But Neville Goddard offered a different perspective. He saw time as a series of present moments, each pregnant with infinite possibilities. He taught that our present state of consciousness, the thoughts and feelings we hold in this very moment, is the seed that shapes our reality. As he eloquently put it, the world is a mirror reflecting the arrangements of your mind. Change the inner arrangements of your mind, and you change the outer picture of your world. Many of us get caught up in the trap of thinking of our desires. We focus on the future, hoping and wishing for things to change, or we dwell on the past, replaying old hurts and regrets. But this keeps us trapped in a cycle of unfulfilled longing. The key to breaking free is to shift our focus from thinking of to thinking from. Instead of focusing on the future or dwelling on the past, we must embody the feeling of the wish fulfilled in the present moment. We must imagine ourselves already living in the reality we desire, experiencing the joy, gratitude, and fulfillment as if it's happening now. This shift in perspective is not about denying the present reality or pretending that our desires have already manifested. It's about consciously choosing to align our inner state with our desired outcome, creating a vibrational match that attracts corresponding experiences. Imagination is the bridge that connects our current reality to our desired reality. It allows us to transcend the limitations of the present and experience the feeling of the wish fulfilled. By creating vivid mental scenes and immersing ourselves in the emotions associated with our desires, we imprint those experiences on our subconscious mind, setting the stage for their manifestation in the physical world. Thinking from the end is not a passive process. It requires active engagement and participation. It's about consciously choosing the thoughts, feelings, and beliefs that align with our desired reality and embodying them fully in the present moment. By mastering this technique, we tap into the creative power of the universe and become conscious creators of our own reality. We break free from the limitations of the past and step into a future filled with limitless possibilities. Thinking from the end is not just a philosophical concept. It's a practical technique that you can apply to manifest your desires. Here are the key steps involved. Step 1. Define your desire. The first step is to clearly define your desired outcome. What do you truly want to manifest in your life? Be specific and clear about your goal. The more detailed your vision, the easier it will be for your imagination to grasp it and bring it into reality. Step 2. Construct a detailed scene. Once you have a clear vision of your desire, construct a vivid mental scene that implies its fulfillment. Imagine yourself already experiencing the desired outcome. Engage all your senses, see the scene in detail, hear the sounds, feel the emotions, and even imagine the smells and tastes associated with it. Step 3. Immerse yourself in the scene. Now, Close your eyes and enter the scene you've created. Immerse yourself fully in the experience, feeling the joy, gratitude, and satisfaction as if it's happening in the present moment. This is not mere daydreaming. It's a powerful act of creation. Step 4. Repeat and persist. Repetition is key to manifestation. Revisit your scene multiple times a day, especially before bed and upon waking. The more you immerse yourself in the feeling of the wish fulfilled, the stronger your assumption becomes, and the more likely it is to manifest in your physical reality. Step 5. Let go and trust. Once you've imprinted the feeling of your desire on your subconscious mind, it's time to detach from the outcome and trust the process. Let go of any anxiety or worry about how or when your desire will manifest. Surrender to the wisdom of the universe and allow it to unfold in its own perfect timing. The path of manifestation is not always straightforward. You may encounter doubts, fears, and impatience along the way. These challenges are natural, but they don't have to derail your progress. Remember, doubts and fears are often rooted in past conditioning and limiting beliefs. Use the power of revision, another technique taught by Neville Goddard, to rewrite those old stories and create new, empowering ones. Reimagine past failures as successes and visualize yourself overcoming any obstacles that stand in your way. Maintaining faith and conviction is crucial. When doubts creep in, remind yourself of your inherent power and the limitless possibilities of the universe. Trust that your desires are already on their way to you. If you experience delays in manifestation, don't get discouraged. Trust in divine timing. Sometimes, the universe is orchestrating events behind the scenes to ensure that your desires manifest in the most perfect and harmonious way. One of the biggest challenges in thinking from the end is dealing with contradictory circumstances. You may be visualizing abundance, but your bank account remains empty. You may be imagining a loving relationship, but you're currently single. In these moments, it's crucial to remember that your outer world is a reflection of your inner state. Don't let external circumstances sway your faith. Continue to persist in your assumption, feeling the reality of your desire even when it seems contrary to evidence. As Neville said, truth depends upon the intensity of the imagination, not upon external fact. Cultivating gratitude and appreciation for the present moment can also accelerate manifestation. When you focus on the good in your life, you raise your vibration and attract more abundance. Gratitude also helps you release any attachment to the outcome, allowing your desires to manifest more freely. Neville Goddard often spoke about the importance of a mental diet. Just as we nourish our bodies with healthy food, we must also nourish our minds with positive and empowering thoughts. Pay attention to the information you consume, the conversations you engage in, and the media you expose yourself to. Make a conscious effort to surround yourself with positivity and inspiration. This will create a fertile mental environment for your desires to take root and flourish. Remember that manifestation is not just about achieving external goals. It's also about inner transformation. As you practice thinking from the end, you'll likely encounter aspects of yourself that need healing or release. Embrace this journey of self-discovery with compassion and curiosity. The more you align your inner world with your desires, the more you'll embody your true potential and step into a life of purpose, joy, and fulfillment. Neville Goddard himself shared numerous stories of individuals who achieved remarkable results by applying the principle of thinking from the end. He often recounted the story of a woman who desired to visit her family overseas, but lacked the financial means. She persisted in imagining herself already there, feeling the joy of reunion. Miraculously, she received an unexpected gift that covered the entire cost of her trip. In another instance, Goddard spoke of a man who was facing eviction from his apartment. Instead of succumbing to fear and despair, He imagined himself living in a beautiful new home, feeling the sense of security and comfort it provided. Within a short time, he was offered a new job with a significantly higher salary, enabling him to afford the home of his dream. These stories, documented in Neville's lectures and books, serve as a testament to the power of this technique. They inspire us to tap into our own imagination and create the miracles we desire in our lives. Thinking from the end is more than just a manifestation technique. It's a way of life. It's about aligning your present state of consciousness with your desired outcomes, trusting in the power of your imagination to create your reality. As Neville Goddard so eloquently put it, the end persists. It is forever seeking to express itself in the world of shadows. Our duty is to assume that it has already done so and to live as though it were true. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of thinking from the end. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Remember, the universe is your playground, and your imagination is the magic wand. Start creating your dream life today.